Do you want to be truly happy? Not just living and surviving, but thriving and actually growing. What if I told you that happiness is a journey and it's not a destination? It's the decisions you choose every single day that determine how healthy your mind, body, and soul really are. Today I'm going to show you what I do to take care of myself and truly be happy and healthy. And thank you to Lululemon for sponsoring this video. So we're in a new year now, and we've already survived the first month of 2021, so go us. And 2020 was a rough year. We all know that. You turn on the TV and you're instantly reminded of that and anxiety starts to rise. But I want to show you guys the first thing I'm doing this year to really take care of my body. One of my goals in 2021 was to feel really good about my body, but honestly, you can't do that when you're obsessing over it every single little day, picking at it, tracking every single little number, judging yourself, talking down to yourself. It's taking those negative thoughts captive. And I'm a firm believer that what you wear can truly affect your confidence. I want to feel good in what I'm wearing, and that's why I love Lululemon. Lululemon is one of those brands that truly makes me feel so good when I'm wearing it. The way it fits me, the way it complements my body for any workout I'm doing, whether that's running or stretching or weight training. It's just one of those brands that I feel so good in. And right now they have the cutest winter pieces, and it's actually quite chilly in LA, so I love this zip-up jacket, and I love the way that these leggings fit, and they have pockets for my phone, and just the way I can stick my hands through these little thumb holes. And it's not even just for those tough workouts, the hard days, but it's also for the lounge, the rest days, the days where you need to just take a step back, not just for physical health, but for mental health too. But overall, our bodies need motion. Physical activity helps with brain functions, weight management, blood pressure, heart health, quality of sleep, reducing feelings of stress and depression. And the goal is to be happy, right? So get out there and start moving, whatever workout you choose. Lululemon is perfect for whatever activity you're doing. And I know for me, my confidence and my energy, my happiness skyrockets when I'm active at least 4 to 5 times a week. Even if that's a 30-minute walk or an at-home workout or a stress-relieving jog, physical activity is a necessity for my happiness. So if you guys want to check out any of the pieces I showed you today from Lululemon, the links will be down below. Furthermore, food. We have to fuel our body. Imagine putting junky oil into a Lamborghini. That's our bodies. Our bodies are valuable and precious, and it needs nutrients to survive and perform well daily. The biggest thing that I did was intuitive eating, listening to my body. Personally, for me, I found this to be more sustainable because it's not a crash diet. It's not just a fad. It's something I can uphold for the rest of my life. I stopped stepping on the scale every day. I stopped weighing my food every day. And I started letting my body tell me when to eat and when not to eat versus numbers. Of course, life is all about balance. I'm going to eat ice cream every now and then or some French fries. Let your girl live. But it's about forming a habit and giving your body what it needs. When I eat satiating, healthy, nutrient-rich foods, I feel better. I'm not as bloated. My skin glows. My energy is better. And so I encourage you, try cooking at home more, learn new recipes, and eat foods that make you feel good. Let's talk about our minds. The battlefield. It's where we fight daily, fighting against self-doubt, negative thoughts, hatred, anger, anxiety, depression, comparison, you name it. 2020 was hard, and it was like every negative emotion came to the surface. But this year will be better. And it's so important to learn how to deal with those emotions. Let's feed our minds. Music, TV, social media, movies, books, they all influence our minds. I once heard this quote that said, "Be mindful of what you're mindful of." Be careful of what you put in your mind because that will be a result of what your actions are. Do things that are good for your mind. Read a stimulating book, something that grows you and teaches you something. Journal. I journal almost every single day to process through my emotions, and it's super beneficial and healthy to do for your mental health. It's just a safe place to share what is exactly going on in your mind. And when you're feeling sad, please call someone. Don't suffer alone. Tell someone how you are honestly feeling. Deal with the past hurts and pains so you can be healthy and whole. And don't numb it, because then you never truly heal. Delete social media when you need to. Social media is literally warping our brains and affecting our self-esteem. delete it often, take breaks often, and go outside and enjoy God's creation. The soul, the fun part. The soul is a beautiful thing. It's your identity, it's your purpose, it's who you are. It's who God created you to be uniquely. What fuels you? What feeds your soul? What makes you truly happy? Do more of that. Not something that temporarily makes you happy and it's just some quick fix, but something that truly brings you life. For me, that's my faith. Jesus saved my life, and I have full peace in him every single day. In 2020, when it was rough, I was actually pretty okay because I had him as my anchor and the sustainer for my soul. And I find so much joy by knowing him. And you can have that too. That's the good news, and that's the great thing about it is it's for everyone. And that is where I find the peace and rest for my soul. But also apart from that, I love to do things outside. I love to do things that bring me joy, like surfing and skateboarding. These are activities that truly make me happy. I love the ocean. And these are things that feed my soul. So whatever that is for you, I encourage you, do more of that. So go on that road trip, buy that pair of leggings that makes you feel good, pray, light a candle, and rest in the person that God created you to be. He doesn't make mistakes, and that's the nice thing for your soul to rest in. And I know that gives me peace. And I pray this video gives you some peace as well. And that is today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I loved making this video. I had so much fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you guys. And thank you again to Lululemon for sponsoring this video. I still can't even believe I'm saying that. I wrote down at the beginning of 2021 some of the brands I wanted to work with, and Lululemon was one of them. And so it's really cool. Sorry. It's really cool to see my dreams come true. So thank you, Lululemon, for sponsoring this video. If you guys want to get any of the pieces I showed you in today's video, they will be linked down below. I love their pieces. High quality. They fit amazing. I love their clothing, and all the links would be down below. And also, very clearly, I love army green. So check them out. It's down below. I understand that life can be hard. It really can be. There's ebbs and flows. It's ups and downs. And so I don't ever want to come on here and be like, life is just amazing all the time, because it's really not. You know, we did see that 2020 was a really hard year, but my prayer and my hope for you in 2021 is that you would wake up every day feeling good, loving life, knowing that God loves you, knowing that he has a plan for you, knowing that you are worthy, you are loved, and that your life is valued and special. And I just hope this video inspires you, motivates you to feel better about yourself and your life, and to do things that make you happy, to do things that make you feel good, and do things that bring you joy and just overall help you love life a little bit more. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like me talking more about these things, let me know. I do have a podcast called Happy and Healthy where I talk a lot more about these different topics, and my vlog channel and my Instagram, all linked down below. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you again to Lululemon for sponsoring the video, and I will see you guys very soon. And I love you guys so much, and peace out, Girl Scout. Bye guys.